Hello! You're looking at the instructions for installing a monotrack track kit on a Sur-Ron LightX electric motorcycle. Please read the instructions through before installing. Follow all points in order as in the instructions to do everything correctly. If you follow the steps in the instructions right during the video, pause it so you don't miss important shots. Next, in the spring, to remove the track set and install the wheels, follow the instructions in reverse order point by point. If you still have questions, contact your manager for advice. First, unpack all parts and check for presence. Also, check the condition of the parts to see if they are broken or bent as a result of shipping. Use a photo and video recorder to document any damage to the package. If you find any damage, please inform your manager and take photos or videos. Prepare the necessary tools to remove the wheels and install the track set. You will need the following tools: hand tools, wrenches, ring puller, Allen wrenches, a special wrench for the swing arm pivots, and a motorcycle stand. Having all the tools you need allows you to comfortably and effortlessly install the crawler set. We recommend to use an adjustable stand or to take a 31 cm high stand at once. If this height is not enough for you, please use a base plate under the back to increase the height. If you're not sure if you can do the installation by yourself, please contact your nearest motorcycle repair shop and show this video to the assembly technician. Please use a thread locker on all bolts and nuts. This is very important. Use the strongest thread locker available, usually red. Apply a sufficient amount of thread locker to the threads of the bolts and nuts. If you do not use thread locker, the vibration can cause the nuts or bolts to unscrew during the trip or in the field and get lost. Recall that thread locker must be applied in a warm room to warm parts. At sub-zero temperatures, it will not lock the threads properly. Put all the parts from the bike in one space, such as a box, so you do not lose them later, and install them back in the spring. Disconnect the connectors and remove the battery from the motorcycle to prevent accidental activation. Place the motorcycle on the stand. Make sure that the bike is stable, so that it cannot accidentally fall over. Unscrew the mount and remove the rear brake. Unscrew the mount and remove the front brake. Remove the chain lock. Disconnect the chain and remove it from the motorcycle. Unscrew the axle nut of the rear wheel swing arm with a special wrench. If you do not have this wrench, you can make it yourself, for example from a 20 on 20 mm pipe. On the second side, use a hex key. But do not remove the pendulum axle yet, it will have to be taken out later. Unscrew the upper shock absorber bolt and remove it. Be careful, the swing arm will lower after you remove the shock absorber bolt. Unscrew the engine mount bolt and loosen the belt tension. Remove the belt from the engine rear. Remove the plastic engine belt guard on the left side. Unscrew the rear brake hose from the swing arm. Carefully pull out the pendulum axle while holding the pendulum to prevent it from falling. Remove the plastic belt guard on the swing arm. Remove the belt from the large pinion on the intermediate shaft. Pull the swing arm toward you and remove it. Keep in mind that the intermediate shaft may fall off. Please do not lose the bushings. Unscrew the front wheel axle and remove the front wheel. Unscrew and remove the front brake adapter, if you have one. Make sure that the bike stands firmly on the stand and does not fall over while the swing arm and wheels are removed. If you are unsure, please secure the bike with a strap, for example, or ask someone to hold the frame. See what the bike would look like with the wheels and swing arm removed. Prepare the ski module by pre-installing the components on it. The rear fork stops must be removed, and the front fork stops must be installed. The fork axle adapter bushings must also be removed.